Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've not filmed in a while just because I had some sensitivity going to my eyes, which is weird. So I figured, why not? Let's do get ready with me. I feel like I haven't done that in a while. We're going to get ready for work. I work in like less than 3 hours. So I figured, why not? I want to put makeup on today and test it out again. See if I have any reactions to anything, because I did last time, which is weird. Like, I'm not gonna keep it on, but I feel like I should though if we're doing a get ready with me. Okay. I feel like I need to use this palette up for the expiration date because that's this year. So we're gonna hop into the Carly Bio palette. I have not used this in such a long time, y'all. So like it blocks my mirror, so. And I don't have my hair tied with me. I don't want makeup on me because I'm wearing my favorite shirt. I'm gonna take my favorite brush always and dip into the cream shade that I just hit pan on. Lovely. I'm making sure it hits the bone because that's where I'm gonna put concealer nearby. Like, I figured I'd get my video up now for tomorrow too. So that's what I'm doing. Get ready with me / talk about my anniversary with my boyfriend. So tomorrow's our 3 years and 6 months, and it's insane of how far we got. I was not expecting it, but we're fully committed. We're about to move in. F his cousin going to look at the apartment for us, so thank you to her. Okay, I'm gonna do that area. It's like weird all the time when I do this. Okay, there we go. I don't know the nail brushes what, because I use them all. Okay, so from where we worked, we went here. I'm gonna go. I want to go super neutral, so we're gonna go right here. Right where I just hit the brow bone, that's where I'm placing this. So this is gonna be the lower crease because I'm gonna go in with another shade at top. I'm gonna use this in red because it looks hella pink too. Why does everybody want to give me notifications while I'm filming? Like YouTube did and everything else. So I'm bringing that into the corner so you can see right there. I'm trying to hit pan so I can get rid of this palette. Because this is my favorite palette. It's just I haven't used it in such a long time. I was trying to get it to match with the tail in the corner. Okay, I think it did. It is higher over there, but it's higher here, and I'm like looking at each edge. So this one's more precisely in every selection. This one looks hella bad, but we're gonna work it out. Don't worry. Okay, this has like nothing. Okay. I want to go back into the creation, my shade I've been using in the beginning, just to fix each area. Just gives a clean effect. And then, because I got all that many brushes left to use. So I'm going to take this e.l.f. one that's really cleaned, and I'm going to go with my favorite shade. Like, you think they don't need pigmentation? They do. They need something to stick on because like, they're not pigmented. Like, I'm like dipping in and there's like nothing showing up. I can do this because now I gotta put concealer on top. Kill this. Let's do this right on the lid. Do you not see this? Like, I'm like piling. I'm piling the same shade and it's not giving me the effect I want. Alright, at least I got both my sharp edges. It's just the shade is fucked in the middle. But it is really neutral, so we're actually good. It's just weird. Maybe if I use this brush and wet my brush, maybe more. So this was my con, because I don't want it wet nothing. Picked in the same shade up. See if we can get more wet up. Good. I think we got it where I want it, but it looks lost. So I'm just gonna clean out underneath. Like, it looks like I lost my crease, so I'm just gonna blend it up more. Thank you next. I don't want to smudge anything under there because like my eye is like still sensitive. Wait, let me do that. I want highlight shade. Because I go for the one that you can't even see it, but you could. Okay. I felt textured. My nose. My nose never felt like that. Okay then. When I even apply to the cheek, it looks like there's nothing. Like, there's no way I'm keeping this on for a work day because I'm not like my makeup. Oh, that feels weirder. And this is my favorite lipstick. What the hell? Like, this doesn't look nude anymore. I'm not sure what's up. It's supposed to be nude. So I'm afraid to put any eyelashes on, mascara. So this is completely like, I'm not gonna set my face because I'm taking this off because I'm not happy with it at all. So I guess this is just gonna be a life update video, not a get ready with me because I'm not wearing this out. It looks so bad. Like, it looks like textured on the skin. Like, it doesn't look pigmented anymore on my eyes. Like, I have not used this palette in over a year. And this is just weird. I think it's been 2 years and I still have it. Yeah, I think this palette's expired. So, I gotta go check my Instagram, see if it's expired, because I think it is. And I know this lipstick is so expired. Oh my god. But for today's video, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye guys. I also, P.S. I'm putting my makeup eyeshadow declutter part 4 on hold just because I don't have that much to declutter. It's just like, I'll tell you what I'm going to declutter and what I'm not. So like, that's why I'm going to change that video around. I hope you understand what I'm going to do. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.